In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a real account in Expert Option. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website, and then up here in the top right, it says register. So click on this button, and then here, you're going to see this register box. You can just type in your email and your password you want to use, and of course, accept different conditions and policies and stuff like that, and then you'll be able to open your real account. However, you could also use Facebook, Google, or Apple ID to sign up, so choose the method you want, click on it, and open your account. And whenever you do this, you'll get the access to your account over here, which looks like this. And in case you are on the demo up here, so if you're seeing this demo button and it says demo balance, don't worry because you've actually opened a real account. The demo account just came together with it. So to get it, click on up here, and then as you can see, it says real over here. This is a real live account. Click on it. It's going to switch over to your real balance, and then you can go to finances here on the left, and you could then go ahead and start your deposit process by basically selecting your deposit method, and you can then go ahead and basically select how much you want to deposit. You want to top up your account, and whenever you do this, you'll then be able to start trading with your real account inside Expert Option just like that. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.